Joined a recruitment company at the beginning of 2004. They're a specialist in engineering and technical, similar to what TXM do. So I worked my way up from a trainee through to consultant, senior consultant. Started speaking to Gavin Hanrahan probably in sort of 2012, 2013 about joining TXM. Timing wasn't right initially, but he stayed in contact, sort of told me all about what they got up to, contract they won. So decided to make the leap in 2017. The number one thing I'd say attracted me was reputation. They work with a lot of businesses that we did at the previous business, but albeit on a larger scale. So everybody wants to work with the number ones in motorsport, aerospace. So that was a big draw for me. For me, the main reason to join TXM is development. You're going to get exposure to accounts where you may not have done previously, but likewise you're going to get to work with people that have been there, seen it and done it, and you can grow off the back of what their experience is. I think they're great. They're not hands-off like a lot of people normally are when they get to their level. So I've been to a lot of meetings with James and Andrew where I guess they've got around situations that may have been difficult if you haven't done that in the past. So they're useful to work around and learn off. I think the salary packages are probably competitive to the area, but I guess in the recruitment industry you don't move from a company for the base salary, you move for the opportunities and the accounts that you're going to work on. So our name within the industry, certainly within my team of being the number one in motorsport, gives you the opportunity to earn more of the commission package the more successful you are. And obviously the company benefits as well. You know, they're consummate for business that turns over 200 million. The main reason for me to stay at TXM personally is I want to get to be a director, and there's a clear career path for me to do that. But likewise, if you look at any level within the business, there's a career aspirations, there's a scale of competencies that you need to meet, and obviously a level of billings, but likewise it's all set out if you can achieve it. The atmosphere. I think it's good to work within a business with like-minded people that want to be successful. There's a bit of fun along the way, but there's a lot of hard work, so it's a good place to be. I think it is a social place to work. I think a lot of the guys, they go out on Fridays after work, there's always a few drinks. You know, we have quarterly incentives where people go away, and I think it's actually moving to 6 monthly this year. We're going to go away as a company. We do Christmas do's. There's a lot of socialising even outside of that, where the teams go out for lunches for the employees, and just generally a good place to work. I think it's the opportunity to take your career to the next level. I think if you want to move away, which most businesses are, where they're lifestyle businesses, where you want the opportunity to actually grow, develop and achieve greater, then it's the platform to do that. I think it's having the platform of walking in the footsteps, I guess, of experienced directors and managers that have been there and done it in the past. So you can learn from those guys, but there is the foundations and back office network that can help you deliver what you want to. I think if one sentence could summarise TXM, it would be entrepreneurial. I've seen decisions made very quickly, you know, which will benefit the business, but likewise benefit individuals. So we've won accounts which the teams are mobilised at short notice, where we've drawn off experience that is, you know, been won over 25 years. So yeah, it's certainly a place to work. Entrepreneurial is definitely the word.